Hi, budding CMS. This is Satish Narayan. Hope all are doing great. And I was just like thinking to do a special video for you guys, wherein I wanted to share some of the very important mobile applications which an budding professionals need to have in their mobile. Okay, so I'll be not talking about the social media because which you guys already know, the WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. So all those things you can use, you should use, but ensure you have a limit on the usage of the social media, because those are the culprits who will spoil your time, especially during the examination period. Okay, so for that I just like thought the important applications which you should be having mandatorily in your mobile, so that you will get a lot of updates related to your course, and some of the tips which you can apply for your study pattern, all those stuff. So okay, so the first application which most of you will be aware is the CA Club India, wherein you'll have lot of information related to the tax laws and some of the queries you can ask here. In case if you want some downloads to be done related to any of the topics, you can download that also in the file section. So you also have the jobs, you have trainee corner, you have online learning also, which you can use if in case if something is required for you. So in case if you want some details related to tax and laws, so you can use this. So you'll have a lot of things. So we just have a recent update by one of the person who has just updated the details related to the GST, I believe. Seems net is slower, hope you'll bear with me. Okay, so this that is related to GST. We have GST on restaurant. We have how to strengthen your firm with the chartered accountant loan. So likewise, you have like most of the informations which are the trending and the recent notifications what you receive are related to tax laws and some other business related news. Okay, so the next important application which I suggest to most of the budding professionals is the dictionary. So I use one of the famous offline dictionary, because the reason I just mentioned this one is if in case if you find difficulty in understanding any of the words in your textbook or in your any of the reference book, this is the application which will give a lot of clarity on the terminologies used in your textbook. You can use this also. So this is an offline, so you can use this dictionary application. Then the third important application is any of the financial news application which you can install. I use most of the time I use the Financial Express. So this has the latest informations news related to the many of the field. It might be related to finance, it might be related to any of the business, stock market, all those details you can find in this website, because this website gives an overview about the news which is related to your interest as well as to your course. So you have news related to markets, economy, technology, opinions, health, science, lifestyle, and whatnot. You have many. So you can have at least one financial applications. It might be Financial Express, the Economic Times, or any other application which you feel comfort with. And the the fourth important application which I suggest is, or I use, is money control. So don't worry about the stock market, because those are the things which you can learn in the later stage. But however, the intent of using or having this application is to know the trending news related to the finance. Okay, so some of the news you might not find instantly in the Financial Express, because that has a lot of information there. But in the money control you have most of the information related to stock market. You can have um, news which will be available here. You can read related to stock, business, and you have management talk. So all those things you can use. So this will help you to have at least some of the information related to the finance, market, economy. So as I mentioned most of the time, it is not only you should have a bookish knowledge, you should also ensure that you have other than that. We discussed in one of our video, right? You should be thinking out of the box. So to think out of the box, these are the information which will help you to think out of the box. And the final mobile application is Quora. So this I use to support many of the queries related to the CMA, CA, and study pattern related to us, including CS also. So I give some of my suggestions, guidance in this Quora website. So if you have any of the question, you can go and tap this add, and you will get a box where you can fill the questions or the query you have related to any of the things. So there are experts, there are plenty of people who will give a lot of suggestions which will be really helpful for you. Okay, so these are the top 5 applications. So just to summarize, we have CA Club India, we have English Dictionary, which is offline dictionary, we have Financial Express, I use Money Control, and followed by Quora. So with this we'll end uh, the video for the day. So hope this will help for you. So please do share and subscribe my channel and support me. With that we'll end this video for the day. Take care. Bye bye.